There are so many rumors and misconceptions out there about hard money. Unfortunately, most of these are negative. Investors all around the country say things like, "Hard money is too expensive for me and my wallet." Or, "It's a trap. I'll get stuck in a loan I can't afford." Or, "Bank lines are so much cheaper." Or, "Hard money is a curse." First of all, false. Second, we're going to bust these myths and show you how hard money isn't something to fear or avoid. It's something to utilize so you can boost your cash flow and profits. Yes, we said boost, not obliterate. But before we dive into each myth in our upcoming video series, let's talk about hard money and what it is. Here are 3 key facts you should know about hard money. Number 1, hard money is a special type of loan that's usually secured by a real asset, aka real estate. The money for these loans is typically provided by private investors or companies. Number 2, hard money loans aren't like normal bank loans that you pay off for 15 to 30 years. They're meant to be short term. We're talking 3 to 12 months at most. They can be paid off quicker or slower than that time frame, but this is the typical range. Number 3, hard money loans are perfect for investors who want to buy properties fast because hard money loans can get closed in days, not weeks. They're ideal for buying discounted non-MLS properties. Think wholesalers and other under-market deals. Now that you have a better understanding of hard money, we can dig into the myths and misconceptions that revolve around it. So stay tuned for our next video, where we reveal the truth about the price of hard money. Is it really too expensive? Or can you take steps to lower the cost and get it cheaper? Ready to chat about your hard money and other lending options? Great! Give our team a call. We're excited to set you on a path that makes you the kind of money you need to live the life you want. The Cash Flow Mortgage Company. Good loans, good people, good business.